like this person here, right? She mentioned we are basically new or something. We're still stabilizing, whatever, right? And if you go to their here, I think it's a pretty newer apartment, and yeah, look, it's a brand new. They still, somewhere I saw they were still filling it out. Like so many apartments. Look at the base price, right? So a couple of things here. I'm going to call her back now and see if I can pitch it. Okay, cold calling and then relationship building a rapport will take you guys a long way. Okay, so let's go. Oops, USA. What?
That sounds like a situation I'm going to get myself involved in, because we have so many apartment complexes being built here in Jacksonville. It's not even funny. I mean, they're just going up all over the place.
There you go. Here's what you do for Jacksonville, right? Moving companies, Jacksonville, Florida, right? Find somebody who's running ads or who's somewhere way below. Jaguar, First Coast Movers. Let's see, this guy is still open, right? Reach out to him and say, hey, we help moving companies get commercial clients. Okay, get some kind of a rapport going, or maybe you do a cold email or whatever, and then reach out to a couple of apartment complexes in Jacksonville and get them to agree to that.
There's a brand new one right here close to where I'm at. It's called Jack on the Beach.
Yeah, there's so many ways, right? So I'm actually going to call our good friend Megan. Let's see.
Hi, thank you for calling.
Okay, she didn't pick up, right? But I was about to call her. If she had picked up, I would have say, oh, by the way, our sister company is a marketing company. I just want to let you know, I'm going to get them to do a free full audit on how you can fill out all your apartments. Right? Most likely she's going to say yes. Okay? Right? Then what I'm going to do, yeah, let me share my screen. Okay? Then what I'm going to do is go to Manus. Okay? You guys can see my screen, right? I think I'm sharing my screen. Hold on. Yep. And say, hey, give me a marketing proposal to, okay, how about this? I have let's just say a friend, Megan, who works as a leasing agent at here, right? I would like to send her a marketing audit / strategy to grow their revenue. So basically, fill up their units, apartment units, and increase their retention and brand, etc. Do deep research on how they can fill their units 100% and give me a full marketing audit / strategy I can hand to them. And Manus is going to do the work for you. Just send it to them. You'll be surprised. Does that make sense? This is how we need to be creative. AI is taking everybody's jobs. You and I have to learn to be creative and then leverage AI. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, I use Manus extensively. Okay, this is something. Where did it go? Okay, my daughter in 8th grade did not understand math. I tried to understand. I literally took a picture. Can you see this, guys?
Yes.
I took a picture of her math graph stuff. And so let's start from the beginning, right? This is what I told her. My daughter is learning this, does not understand. Can you look at the image and everything instead explain to an 8th grader, right? It explained everything. And she understood. And she found something here. And then I said, can you look at number 8? And I gave this image, number 8, and give the answer. Look where AI is going. I'm uploading a page, an image, and say, look at number 8. I don't have to pay a tutor, right? I'm uploading it to AI. Look at number 8 and give me the answer. AI is looking at this image, looking at the number 8, and then is giving me the freaking answer. And then I say, she understands point 1 and 2, but not 3 and 4. Okay, she does not understand 3 and 4. Can you elaborate? It's freaking elaborating it. So then I say in example 5, where is function positive and negative? Like, guys, those who are creative, the AI is not going to take away your and my job if we know how to leverage AI. That's what I'm saying. Not just in SEO in your business, all areas of life. Okay, went out this afternoon with my kids and wife, got an idea for something. I just said before we start, give me 1 second, 1 minute, and I typed into my Manus app on the phone what I wanted to find out, and I forgot, and I went, and I came back, and Manus has an answer for me. Simple as that. This is why, like, everyone's sitting on AI. Everyone's like, oh my God, there's so much AI coming. But we don't need everything. We need to take 1% of whatever we need to grow in our area of life. Am I making sense? Am I not making sense?
You're absolutely making sense at all.
Literally, what you learned today, moving company, apartment complex, take a picture, upload to Manus, right? And ask questions. What are you, okay, between you and I, right? I have a VA whose wife is blind, good guy and all that. We went to ChatGPT. I didn't go to Manus. I should probably go to Manus. And we literally, I told him to ask whatever questions he had, and it gave some answers on what he should go test it out, what hospitals in his country that may have that test, all of that. Like, you can use it for anything, health, wealth, relationships, whatever. I use ChatGPT for different stuff, right? Like ChatGPT, I have it open in this tab, right? Like, I got stuff like manifestation and Joe Dispenza, right? Like, it knows that part of my life. Manus knows business part of my life, right? You use different tools for different part of your life, if you will. Cool.
Have you used Sora too?
What's it?
Have you used Sora too?
No, I haven't. Sora 2 is mostly like a video thing, right? Or
Yes.
yeah, I used
It's
VO.
very similar to VO3.
Okay. I haven't used it though. Yeah.
I've seen some very funny memes on the various YouTube and Vimeo and stuff like that, but they all were created by Sora 2.
I didn't know that. Okay. Wow. Yeah. So if nothing else, Cooper, you see if you can make a couple of calls, identify 1 or 2 apartments in that city. So you don't have to always call up the potential client and say, did you get a chance to see? Did you think about it? Right? It's not that we are building his belief up. We're giving them no choice but to say, my God, this SEO company, even before I signed up with them, they're blowing away my mind. Oh my God. Right? I need to work with these guys. That's what you want to get to. Yep.
I'm definitely going to do a rank and rent for a moving company here.
You
even
should.
though it's
Yeah.
competitive.
Absolutely.
That's an excellent idea.
I know. I'm telling you.
I'm going through your YouTube videos that you did back last month too, or in September. I didn't get it since I was very sick during that time, so I'm catching up now.
Awesome, love it. We're going to be
Very
putting. I haven't had
interesting.
time to publish a new videos, but that's one of the things in my I've written down. I got to start doing so for sure.
Did that guy ever get his concrete contractor site in Jackson, Mississippi going? I was going to ask you that.
Almost everybody who I give away free leads to, they don't follow up. They call them once and then nothing comes out of that. They like that's where I'm seeing the biggest. Like people don't want to call, build a relationship 2, 3, 4 times. Like I was just talking to Cooper, right? He's doing a good job of calling and being in touch. That most people are not going to do that.
Well, I saw where some guy already had an EMD. It was concrete contractor, Jackson, Mississippi. Well, he had a business though, so I think that that person was missing out if he hadn't have gone through and got that, because that's wide
Yeah,
open.
if you're seeing something in the YouTube video,
Yeah,
chances are
that's the one
high.
that I was asking about. Yeah.
Yeah, chances are high nobody did anything with that. You're welcome to call the guy, make him your client. I'm telling you
His
that.
name was Nico, I think, something like that.
Go for it. I'm telling you.
Oh, and he
Yeah.
doesn't have a website either, because that was one of the
All
things.
yours.
Didn't find a website for him. I was thinking about maybe using Deep Site to bring up just a free website for him, one pager, and just give it to him and say, hey,
Yeah.
you don't have to worry about paying it for it. Just
Yeah.
pay me a hosting fee, $150.
Yeah.
You know,
It's all about relationship. Build it out, show it to him, slowly nurture him.
that's the reason why I was asking about it, because I didn't want to step on nobody's toes.
No, you're not stepping on anybody. So you'll be surprised. Like go way back 3, 4 years. I think 2024 Christmas. There's a playlist 2024 Christmas and then 2023 Christmas series where I walk like step by step, and pretty much every day in that like 10 days of Christmas training, every day of that two years, the Christmas time, I call some random cold call. I give it away to somebody in the Zoom, and nobody's done nothing with that.
Oh my gosh, that was
Yep.
such a great thing too. I mean, if I hadn't been sick, I would have been on that thing like stink on doo-doo.
Go for it. Go for it. You're not late.
I
Just
sure
do it.
am, because I'm getting a lot better, and I'm feeling a lot better now. So I want to make
That's
some
good.
money.
Love that. Go for it.
All right, thank you.
Awesome.